sights, indescribable feeling. How dare you, all of you, standing around deciding my future? Excuse me? I am not a prize to be won, alright? Your beard is so twisted. Hey my beautiful shining stars, welcome back to my channel. I hope that you are having a wonderful day, night, whatever it may be. Know that you are so awesome and amazing, and I'm glad you clicked on this video today. If you are not a part of the beautiful shining star family, I want you to be so bad. So make sure that you hit subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can see more of this. So I recently did a photo shoot with my hashtag shelfie because Disney is doing this thing where every time you do like hashtag shelfie, they donate a book for a children in need that don't have books. And so I was inspired by this book right here, A Whole New World, and it's a twisted tale like if Aladdin never found the lamp. If you like hashtag yourself in your shelfie and tag me in it, then I'm gonna pick one to feature in my Insta stories as well. So Princess Jasmine is one of my favorite princesses. Aladdin, the story. I'm so excited that they're doing the live action film in 2018. I love to cosplay as Princess Jasmine and like Disney bound as Princess Jasmine. She's like my go-to princess when I do that stuff. So I already have like a full-blown makeup dedicated Princess Jasmine look right here. You could check it out. And I'm gonna do more in the future, but because I did that photo shoot, it inspired me because people were saying they like the makeup to do a series, and this is called Disney Princess Glam Series. So it's just gonna be different princesses and then glammed up, like inspired from the colors of the movie or their outfits. So yeah, so it should be fun. So I know a lot of you love Disney just as much as me, so I hope you guys enjoy this series. Are you ready? Cause here we go on a magic carpet ride to Glamorville. So starting off, I'm going to moisturize my face with my Jergens Ultra Healing Lotion. It is like 20 below in Alaska right now. Yes, I live in the North Pole with Santa Claus, and it is super, super dry out. So must moisturize, very important. Oh, so next I'm gonna prime my eyes with my Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. And this is just gonna help the shadows stick and be nice and vibrant. So for eyeshadows, I'm gonna use a mix of my Kristen Leanne's Urban Decay palette, and this one is the Kaleidoscope Dream, and then my Huda Beauty's Desert Dust palette. I absolutely love these palettes, you guys. Can't get enough, can't get enough. I'm gonna be taking this amazing blue shadow, the LCW, and pop that right on my lid. Next, I'm gonna take this deep purple dye and apply it right into my crease area. Then I'm gonna go over the blue with this like iridescent, gorgeous blue shadow right here. And this just makes it so beautifully shiny. Shiny! So pretty. I'm also gonna place that in the inner corner, just for a nice highlight. Opening up the eyeballs. Then going over to my Huda Beauty palette, I'm going to take this color Amethyst, and I'm going to blend it in right over the top of the purple. And then I'm gonna mix a little bit of tahine and amethyst together and just blend, blend, blend. I have like this patch on my skin, on my eye, like right here. And no matter what I do, no matter what happens, I always have trouble blending on that spot because the eyeshadow doesn't want to stick in that specific spot. So yeah, it's always a challenge to get that nicely blended in there because it just doesn't want to stick to my skin, regardless if I put primer on or not. Yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and take desert sand and just highlight the breadbone. And forgive me, I really need to go waxing. My eyebrow hairs are getting a little wild. Now I'm gonna go ahead and mix these two shadows and I'm gonna apply it right below my bottom lash line. Now I want to add some more sparkle to it, so I'm going to take my Moon Dust palette from Urban Decay and I'm going to use this light ear and place it right over the lids. I'm going to mix a little bit with the darker blue as well. Now taking my black Urban Decay eyeliner in 0, I'm going to tightline my eyes and outline them as well, very winged out. Of course, for Jasmine, and for me always. Then I'm going to take my Urban Decay's Razor Sharp Liner in Gold Rush, and then I'm going to just kind of add some gold on the lid here. And while that's still wet, I'm going to take some gold glitter and just add it on top. And I'm just using this matte glitter for my gold. And it's okay if it's not perfect. I'm just gonna go over the blue shadow with this aqua blue glitter, and then I'm gonna go over it both with this Revlon liner. I forgot to mention that I used some of this glitter glue from NYX, and then I added in a little bit of my MAC Pearl Reflex. So, now on to the liquid liner. Okay, now that I got the eyeliner the way I want it, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my Urban Decay Troublemaker mascara. And I'm gonna start at the bottom of my lash line and just wiggle upwards. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Until I get nice and covered gooey mascara. Then I'm gonna add some falsies, and I feel like this is what makes this look, is these falsies. I got these falsies. Part of them are like from Halloween, and the other part is like a regular lash. So I just like cut the Halloween lashes to add them at the end. And I remember seeing this Princess Jasmine doll and her lashes were like out to here. So that's what I'm going for. Super dramatic lashes. Lash glue them up. Gotta get tacky. Never run off, never for me. Oh my gosh, if you guys haven't seen Greatest Showman, you are missing out. I've seen it 3 times already and I want to go back and see it again. I love that movie so much. And we're gonna apply as close to the lash line as possible. Bam. Nice! About to fly away with these lashes. Woo! So now that I'm done with the eyes, I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the face. And I'm going to be mixing my Bye Bye Lines foundation from IT Cosmetics in Deep, along with my Too Faced Born This Way foundation in Nude. Urban Decay Concealer. Now I'm gonna take my NYX Bright Idea blush, which I love so much. I'm just going to go ahead and apply a little bit all over. And then I'm gonna blend it in with my beauty blender. Now I'm gonna go ahead and bronze, blush up, and glow up with my Makeup Forever palette. I'm just gonna work it all in. And now I'm just gonna add in some sparkle shimmer from my Forever 21. I think I got this like years ago, and it's still, I hope they have more of these, guys, but it was just a little powder puff with some glitter in it, and I love it. Bronze. And then I'm just gonna contour my nose using my Hoola bronzer from Benefit. Now I'm going to take my Precisely My Brow Pencil from Benefit and begin to shape my brows. So I totally laid my hand on my blue glitter and got it all over my cheek, but we're gonna forget about that right now and move on to my Makeup Forever lip liner in N12. And I'm just gonna line my lips. Then taking my lip line in Alina, I'm going to apply it to my lip. And then I'm going to dab some of Huda Beauty's Angelic Lip Gloss just in the centers. And up here. Mwah! And then I'm just gonna add a little bit of the highlighter right over that. Mwah! And there is the makeup. Let me put on my weave. Shazam! So there is your Disney Princess Glam Shazam Jasmine edition. Let me know if you guys like this series in the comment section below. Also, what Disney princess or character you want to see next. And remember, you, yes you, you're beautiful, baby. So shine like a star. Mwah.